Hey guys, welcome to TechTree's tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to use Monday.com for beginners. So this is a Monday.com calendar tutorial. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. Welcome to the world of Monday.com, where teamwork becomes a breeze. So this is a digital hub where everyone can collaborate effortlessly on different projects. Now let's explore a gem within Monday.com, which is the calendar option. So think of it as your digital task planner, making project management a snap. So it's like a calendar, but for tasks and projects, showing you what's due and when. So you'll just need to imagine having tasks and deadlines neatly spread across days, weeks, and months. The calendar option will give you a visual guide helping you craft your schedule effortlessly. So you can even set due dates and customize it to suit your style. So if you have a lengthy project, no sweat. Plan tasks for the long haul, ensuring nothing falls through the crack. So you can keep different areas of your life organized and focused. Plus, you can filter tasks so you can see what's only relevant, and the magic doesn't end there. The calendar option also seamlessly integrates with Monday.com's teamwork features, making collaboration smoother than ever. So before we dive in onto that feature, let's do a quick overview onto Monday.com's dashboard. So what you're currently looking right now is a dashboard. So here onto the upper part, you can see Monday and here the different plans that they offer. So you could quickly go onto that one. So as you can see, this is the plans that they offer. So you have for the basic, which is $8 per month, the standard $10 per month, the pro for $16 per month, and the enterprise. So you can see the different options that they offer in here. So you could choose one, which one do you prefer, and just simply click onto it. So as of the moment, we're currently using the free plan, but if you want to upgrade your experience, just simply click onto the options in here. Now let's head back onto the dashboard. We have here also on the upper part the notification, the inbox, the invite members. You have here the apps, a search bar, a help button, and also your account setting. So you can see onto the account setting, the different account settings like my profile, import data, integration, developers, trash, archive, administration team, and you can log out in here. You can explore different features as well like Op Marketplace, mobile app, Monday.lab, shortcuts, and you could also invite the members in here, get help, and change theme. So there is option also in here regarding onto your working status. So there is a do not disturb. So you could turn it on and off if you don't want to hear your notification and inbox. And here onto the left side, we have here your home, the different works that you have done, your workspace as well. So you can see the different workspace that I have done already, and you can add in a workspace and browse all the workspace. So for us to do our tutorial today, we're going to be using my main workspace in here. So you'll just need to simply click onto that and you'll be redirected onto this page. So here onto the page, you can see the name of the workspace. You could simply rename onto this by clicking it, and you can see the recent boards, the members, and permissions in here. And there is one board that I have in here. This is an inventory management. So we could try to use that one out. And you can click onto these three horizontal lines if you want to rename, change your workspace type, and delete this workspace. So to get started, let's click onto this inventory management. Now here's what you'll see right after clicking onto that workspace. So you can see different items in here. So these are the items inside a group. So the group in here is the electronics, and the one inside it, the electric stove, electric kettle, are the items onto that group. So for us to be able to reach the calendar feature, you'll see this main table in here. So right beside it, there is a plus button, which is the add view. So to add the calendar view to your workspace, you need to open your desired workspace. So we've done that already, and click this add view in here. So you can see the different board views. We have the table, Gantt, chart, calendar, Kanban, files gallery, form, blank view. We could also see the different apps in here, and there are recommended apps in here, and there are more views. So you'll just need to simply click onto this calendar in here, but there is sometimes that you won't see this in here. So you'll just need to simply click onto these more views, and then you'll find the calendar. So just click onto this calendar in here, and you'll just have to wait for it to load onto your account. So you could see also in here the new item, the add widget, the search bar. So you could filter it by person. So filter it by anything. So you have the option to add in a column, a condition, or a value, or you can add in a new filter as well in here. You could also integrate this workspace to different apps. Just simply click onto this and add in an automation as well. And as you can see in here, we have successfully added already the calendar view. So you can see the different days in here. So to simply add in a task, just simply click onto it. So you could name it on what you need to do onto that specific date. So for example, you have an exam. So let's add an exam in here. So which group it is in. So since we're using my inventory workspace in here, so it was added onto the group of electronics, you can add in the person in here. You could add yourself and then the current status of it. What are you currently doing? Is it working on it, stuck or done? So you could edit the labels in here if you want to do the exam, since this is just for the inventory management. So just simply click onto edit label. So you could add in notified. You could add in here removed or anything that you want. So simply click onto new label if you want to add a new one and then click onto apply. So you can see the different status that we've added in here. Just simply click onto the one that you want to use. You can also update the date in here. Since we've clicked on August 1, it will show August 1 in here and you can move it to August 3. So right after, there is also a drop down in here. Just simply click onto it if you want to add one. So if you want to add new labels, click onto edit labels in here and then apply. So just simply click on create item once it is done. So you actually have also the option in here to view it per week and per day, since this is for month. So let's just simply click onto that one in here and you can see it by date and you can add in by time. So you could also see the date in here. So this week is for July 31st until July 6th. So this is the option to undock this widget as well. Just simply click onto that and you can see it like this way. So there are more options into this 3 horizontal dots. We have here the full screen option, the settings if you want to rename this calendar, duplicate and dock this, and you could also delete it. So let's try to rename this calendar. So let's add in here my task. So it is already changed in here. We could also delete this one. So just simply click on to delete and it is already deleted. So if you want to add a new calendar again, just simply do those steps again. So you could actually add in multiple calendars. So let's try that one out. So let's add a new one. And we could add in another one as well. So as you can see, we have a lot of calendar already. So this is actually very helpful because it lets you see your tasks and projects like a calendar. This makes things super clear and organized, so you can plan when things happen and know when it is due. It's like having a schedule for your tasks, just like you would for events in your life. You can set dates and times for tasks, making sure you get things done on time. It's great for both short tasks and projects that takes a while. Also, you can use different calendars for different things like work or personal stuff. This keeps everything neat. Plus, it works great with other teamwork features, making it easier to work together. In short, this calendar view makes managing tasks super simple and make sure you don't forget important stuff. And there you have it. You have learned how to use Monday.com's calendar. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you do, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe and share this video with anyone who might find it useful. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you on our next video.